Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, if you're new on my channel, this is the first time you've come across my video, kindly subscribe, like this video, and also share with friends who wish to make money online. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you step by step on how to register on Atoshi app, how to get free Atoshi, and how to do verification from KC1 to KC2. So make sure you watch this video and till the end, watch keenly, because there are some important things that I'm going to say here. And again, make sure you go to the comment section. I'm going to put the link to this app on the comment section, and also make sure you use it, because if you don't use it, you're not going to get 23,000 atos that you will need when doing verification. Okay, and I'm going to say everything that you need to know before registering on this app and how you can withdraw. Okay, so the first thing is you need that link, right? So if you tap on the link which is on the comment section, remember to, okay, this is just by the way, we also have a WhatsApp group. We have a WhatsApp group that we normally give updates on a daily basis of different sites. So if you join our WhatsApp group, you'll be able to get updates on different sites and different opportunities. Okay, so make sure you subscribe here and also go to the group and join our group on WhatsApp. I will also pin the link or leave the link on the comment section, all the links you need to go through. Okay, so the first thing, if you tap on the link, it will tell you to register. Like, it will take you to a page whereby you're supposed to register. So when you register on that page, you'll be able to download the app, then log in to the app. If you log into the app, this is the first thing you'll see. This is under home. Home is right here. Let me point it with an arrow. Home is right here, guys. This is the home right here. This is the first page that will appear on your screen. Okay, if you after logging in, so this is where you'll be able to do the task. We have tasks that you will be doing. We have some will go up to 1 hour, some will go up to some minutes, or even like shorter minutes or longer, or 1 hour or 2 hours or so. And so we have different things here. So this is how to do daily task. And before you do that daily task, you have to finish verification. How do you do the verification? How do you verify your account? That is the next step after registering, downloading the app, and logging to your account. You need to verify your account to unlock the rewards that you'll be given. Of course, if you use this link, you're going to be given 23,000 atos that you will unlock immediately you do full verification. I'm going to take you through. It's kinda, if you're not guided enough, you won't be able to understand it, but good enough, I will be able to guide you through, so that you'll be getting it easier to do. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna click on these 3 lines on your left hand. At the top we have these 3 lines. I don't know whether you guys can see my screen, but it is right here. So if you tap on that place, it will take you to where you're supposed to verify. Okay, let me tap there so that I can show you. So guys, this is it. If you tap on this thing, you should see the here. You should tap on this arrow going in here, this one, that one. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see where you're supposed to submit your details for verification. So let me show you. So for the first time, guys, for the first time, if you do verification, right, you do verification, you'll be able to see this. You'll be able to see this. The first one, this is level 1. In order to pass KYC, that is know your customer, level 1, upload a real profile picture and add at least 5 friends accounts in the security circle. Okay, don't be worried about that. That is where I will come in. Okay, so the first thing is you're gonna upload your picture right there, and you can see your picture, it is passed already. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is to go to the next step. After uploading your picture, that I know many people are facing challenges here. This is where challenge is. So guys, I don't need you to worry about that. Okay, I don't need you to worry about anything when it comes to that. Many people don't know how to go through this thing. So the next thing you're gonna do is to tap on that thing where they are telling you security circle. Just tap on it like this, then you'll see something like this. So you need to add 5 people maximally. You have to add 5 people, okay? So as you add 5 people, you will be given 10 atoshi per hour from these people, okay? So what you're gonna do, I will provide. So what I will do, guys, so after you've registered, that is why I'm telling you to join my WhatsApp group, because you really need it, because you will be able to inbox me. I'm the admin, so you will be able to inbox the admin for help when it comes to this security circle, okay? That is why I'm telling you to join my WhatsApp group, okay? So the next thing is I will give you the 5 friends that you need. I will give you the 5 friends that are active on Atoshi app. Okay, so what you'll need, you'll come with the person's account name, then type it here. You'll get something like search, then click on the search button. When you this. So the next thing, guys, is you're gonna come here, add an existing user. You're gonna tap on that. So guys, after you tap on that, mine is full, so I cannot add more than 5. That is why I'm not that on that page again. So after doing that, you're gonna paste the account name that I will give you. You're gonna paste it on that search button, then you click on search, then it will search, you'll get the person, then you click on add. As simple as that. Then don't worry about that. If you don't understand what I'm saying, if you inbox me, I will be able to direct you personally, okay? So the next thing is you're gonna do KYC2. So let's go through it. Let's see what is written here. Hello, the Atoshi team has granted you eligibility to apply for KYC level 2. Please upload your identity information promptly to help us verify the legitimacy of your nationality and identity. Make sure it is your own operation and complies with the laws and regulatory policies of your country, okay? So that is all you need to do. So you're gonna use passport. You're gonna use passport or identity card, that is government ID card, or driving license. So you have 3 options. You can use one of the 3. So I'm going to show you what are required in this KYC2. If you're not careful enough, you won't pass it until you do the right thing. You won't pass it until you do the right thing. So if you do it once, you upload your document once, then you fail to pass, there must be a reason. They will always tell you the reason why you have not passed. So make sure you rectify the mistake, then re-upload. Those who uploaded their documents yesterday, some of you did pass. So if you know you are one of them and you're watching this video, make sure you re-upload your ID for a KYC2 verification, so that you can unlock your rewards and you'll be able to withdraw, okay? Okay, so let me show you what is needed for KYC2 verification, okay? So guys, I wanted to show you something, but they are telling me their KYC2 information you submitted is under review. Do you want to upload? No, I don't want to re-upload, guys. So what they will tell you, first, you will take a live camera, like live snapshot, like live what, like you'll snap the front. I don't know how to put it, but let me try use this word. You will snap the front side of your identity card or whichever card you are using, or maybe passport. Then also they will tell you the next step to take a snap, like snap the backside of your identification card. Then after that, they will tell you to write something like, just follow all those instructions. Everything is written there, okay? So I'm just trying to show you, like to tell you what is required, because I cannot access that site now. So they'll tell you to write Atoshi use only with exclamation mark. Then they will tell you to write the date, then you sign, you take a picture of that. Then again, you take the paper that you've signed on, plus your ID, you put them together, you take a picture of them. Okay, as simple as that. So let us go to the next thing that I wanted you guys to know. How to earn. How do you earn on this on this app, Atoshi Global app? Okay, let us go back. So this is how you're gonna earn. So on this page, home, under home, you'll be able to see these things. This yellow, is this yellow or orange? Yellow. So you need to tap on them. Like this one will expire after 41. So you need to come back like on a daily basis every time to tap on them. As you tap on them, you'll be earning more Atoshi, like on a daily basis. And again, you can also share, like you need to tap on this place too. This place right here, guys, you need to tap on it. Let me show you this place right here. You need to tap on it, this one, on a daily basis after some hours for it to mine for you. Like you can see, I'm getting this amount of Atoshi per hour, and the same time I'm also earning from these ones. So you need to tap on these ones, you see. So like this one, let us see, you see this one here, this one written for, so I have to, it has stopped mining, so I have to tap on it again for it to start mining again. I want, yeah, you guys, you've seen it. You've seen it. Okay, so you also have an option whereby you can invite your friends right here. You give them your link. Remember, anyone registering without a link or a code, you will not get the free 23,000 Atoshi. You get me right? Okay, if you want to see your balance, kindly click on account balance. Then if you want to see your team, you can share it with your friends. It is free, you are not going to pay anything. Okay, then you can see, right? So if you click on your account, you'll be able to see the total amount you have. Let me clear this out for you guys. You'll be able to see the amount you have, and the ones which are yet to be, the ones that are yet to be verified or approved. You can see here. If you want to know more, you can click on this place to know, read the whole thing. Okay, so that is why you guys, you need to do verification, and you can see the ones which have been verified, and you can withdraw. Okay, and you can see everything is written here, and you can see everything. If you want to withdraw, just click on withdraw or exchange. Okay, so guys, this is all you need to, okay, if you want to exchange the Atoshi, you'll be able to exchange it to USDT. You can click on exchange. If you want to withdraw it, it is because it has been listed. Let me show you something, guys. Let me show you something. Atoshi has been listed. It is Atos. Atoshi is the app, then Atos is the token. Okay, let us go and see how much is Atos token and how many apps or cryptocurrency apps have listed it where you can sell it or buy it. Okay, let's go. I'll show you all these things. Okay, before that, let me show you something again. If you want to see all the activities performed by you, you're gonna click on this activity. If you want to see the rewards here, if you want to see the web, the games, you can also play games right here. So I want to show you something. Always click on this place, reward. Click on the reward, then you will be able to get some extra Atos by doing signing in on a daily basis. Okay, you can see also these ones, and remember to go here. You can see boost challenge. You can see congrats, task completed, you've earned 100 Atos. Yes, I've earned 100 Atos. I'm gonna claim it. You can see boost challenge, congrats, you got. Okay, it has been claimed. You can see right here, basic task, another task here, basic task complete. Now in advanced stage, your progress is growing. Complete 10 more video tasks to unlock a mystery reward. Okay, so I can go ahead and do that. I will do that later. Also, don't forget to join Atoshi social media sites like this one. We have Telegram for more updates, because there they give updates on a daily basis. And also don't forget to follow them on X or on Twitter. Okay, you'll be given free 500 Atos and also 500 Atos on each social media that you are going to follow. Okay guys, I think that is that. You need to know about this. And the minimal withdrawal you can withdraw is 100 ATOS. So let me show you how much is ATOS and how many apps have listed it. So let us go to Coin Market Cap. Where is my Coin Market app? Let me log in first. So this is Coin Market app. Let us log in there to see how much is ATOS at the moment and which crypto platforms have listed ATOS. So we're gonna go to search. Let us go to search. Or you can see I already searched it some days back. Let me show you. So Atoshi is the app, but the coin itself or the token itself is called ATOS. Okay, so you just search on, you type like this, you type ATOS, you can see this is on a daily, you see it was launched the time, there was a time it even went to $1.53. Guys, you can see what I'm talking about. This was when, let me check, this was April 24th. Wow, at 3 p.m. 2025. God. It went as low as 0.10 and as high as 1.53. Wow, it was so high that time. Wow, so it has been listed for some time, so it has been there. So guys, this is ATOS app. This is what I'm talking about right now. The price of ATOS is this. This is the live as I speak now, because price keeps going on, going down. You see, the price is 0.05. Okay, then let us see which market or which app is listing it. So if you want to see that, you go to markets right here. So we have something we call market. If you tap on market, you'll be able to see the apps which have listed ATOS or where you can buy. So ATOS is only on Uniswap. You can see, you can buy it or sell it there. You can swap it on Uniswap under Ethereum. Uniswap is on Ethereum. It's under Ethereum. So you can see all these things. You can sell ATOS against WETH. You can sell it ATOS against USDT, or you can sell ATOS against USDT on Uniswap. All of them Uniswap. So you can do it there. You can sell, you can buy there. Okay, guys, that is it. That is what you need to know as for now. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I still have more. It's only that I don't have time, but I really try to create some time. I will upload another video tomorrow, guys. I know the video is long, but at least I've shared what I wanted to share. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Until next time.